Okay, I'm going to do a quick test here. I'm going to unplug the rotovertor motor and see how it oscillates down, because when you unplug it, it seems to want to go by itself for a while. It takes 4 minutes to wind down. So I got it in here. And it's a 2 UF run cap, and if I had an ammeter on it, it would be drawing 40 milliamps, it would say. And again, let's get this balanced a little bit. Again, all you really got for power here is that overlap portion, this overlap portion, that one, this one, and the rest is just circulating voltage in amps, I guess you could call it. Okay, so I'm going to turn off, I'm going to unplug this down here, and then we'll look at this. Okay, here we go. Unplug. It's unplugged. Now what do we got? I got to turn the voltage up to 0.5 square divisions. I'm going to try it, and then I'm trying to make it stable here. So it's unplugged right now. There. So I guess it's oscillating. Slowly dying down. Again, I got the volts in 0.5. I don't know what this means, actually. I assume it's the rotor is still kind of hot. And the rotor, you know, it's still kind of magnetic rotor, even though there's no magnets in it. But so it's still kind of hot, and it's making AC. Now it's dying down. Don't know what all this means. I'm going to plug it back in now. You know, I don't even need to use a start cap with this motor. There, I just plugged it in. Okay, that's the amps you see there. It's in the 0.01 setting. And the voltage is back there, but it's really high going off the screen, so I'm going to take that from 0.5. There's 2 volts. 5 volt square divisions. This is what's going into it. I'll take this. Okay, there's 10 volt square divisions. This is what I started out with. 10 volt square divisions for the volts. 0.1, 0.01 square division for the amps. Now I'm going to unplug it again. Unplugged. Now, in order to see the volts, I have to move this up to half a volt, 0.5 volts square divisions. It's very slowly dying down. So this is only 1 volt. 1 volt up and down. Unless I have my probe in times 10. Okay, I just changed my probe. I don't know what it's in right now. Anyways. So it's oscillating, it's making some voltage. Okay. Let's try and see what this is in. It's times 1. So the voltmeter was in, and the voltage probe was in times 10 before. I know this is kind of boring, but you might as well take a look at it. So now the voltage is times 10, times 1. I see why I had it in times 10, because it goes off the scale and I'm in 20. This is its running now. I plugged it in. This is how it's running. Okay, but I'm going to unplug it now. That's the current. You see the triangles. Unplug it. There we go. Now it's 20 volt square divisions. Here's 5 volt square divisions. So that looks like maybe 12 volts peak to peak. Now it's getting to about 11 volts peak to peak. The probe is in the times 1 setting now. So now it's under 10 volts peak to peak. So that's not enough voltage to actually run it. Okay, so there's that experiment. Sorry, it took 9 minutes. Okay, thanks for watching.